Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add a Pinterest board to a Notion. Let's start. Basically, there are two main ways to add Pinterest to Notion. You can either integrate Pinterest to your Notion website in a proper, full-fledged way, or you can just embed the Pinterest to your Notion. You only need to copy the HTML code of Pinterest pins, the ones you have created. To do it, right-click on the image and then open Inspect. Here, just copy the whole HTML code you see on the right panel. After that, paste that code in the Notion code block and write it in between the hashtag to embed tags. So this is how you can add Pinterest board to Notion. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.